Hi guys, so basically we've had a special visit today. A chap called...
Chair.
Chair? Nice chap.
He's a nice guy.
Very friendly guy.
Yeah, and he's given us the opportunity to vlog this room. Now this is a very special room. This is what they call the Honeymoon Suite.
There's only one of them in the whole of the complex as well at Club Alla Turca. There's just the one room, so obviously you'd be very lucky if you came here and you purchased.
So we're going to show you now firstly on video. I mean it's available on the website if you book on the website, but we're going to show you the video tour of it, okay? Yep. So here we go.
Be prepared.
Hello.
So here we go guys. First thing we spot.
Is this a jacuzzi spa?
A jacuzzi spa.
A jacuzzi spa.
Hey.
Oh, it's got all the jets and everything.
How nice is that?
All your controls on here.
How nice is that?
You can put your drinks up here.
Lovely. Few candle lights. Yeah, look, candles there ready.
No, we've got a bed as well.
Oh.
It's not any ordinary bed.
Check out this bed.
It's a round bed.
A round bed, guys. Round bed.
How posh is that? It's like red liver and are these lamps?
Does it spin round and play disco lights?
No. You're going a bit too far now. How fancy are they?
That's nice.
Fancy lamps.
Yeah.
My darling, can't get enough your love, babe.
Check out the cabinets as well.
It is a Honeymoon Suite.
Hey.
How good is that?
Amazing. Lamps on both sides.
We've
We've got a bathroom here. Oh, look at this.
large sink.
Oh,
It's got a love out mat.
how nice.
Do you like mat?
Well, it is the Honeymoon Suite. Yeah.
That is so good.
The shower.
Wow. That is amazing.
Nice large shower.
That is really
Wow.
good.
Oh,
There
nice.
we are in the mirror.
Yeah, there we are, guys.
Yeah, the Honeymoon Suite, so cool.
Big television.
Big TV.
Well, you're on the Honeymoon Suite, so you won't be watching any telly.
You can do it at your home.
Got a nice couch, nice big couch, and wardrobes. Yeah. Oh, there's me again.
That's you.
You've got some cupboard space here. Okay.
Got some chandeliers.
Some nice chandeliers, and we've got two balconies here. Look, just open the balcony.
Don't let. Oh yeah, there we go.
Nice view here. Look. Oh, look at that.
Oh, you can see the restaurant from here.
So you got the restaurant down the bottom there.
There's the hammocks down there.
There's a hammock sitting there when we was on
Before.
early mornings.
Yeah.
So if I just zoom in down there, you can see the restaurant.
You can see the other balcony from there as well.
Let's just zoom in there. There you go. They're all having the evening meal for the evening. How nice is that?
You can go on the other side.
And if we just turn the camera to this side, we've also got a balcony on this side.
I'm over it.
Oh, hello. Didn't see you there.
Hi guys.
Nice to see you.
To see you nice.
To see you nice, yes. So you've got two balconies and a lovely view. Check out the mountains across there. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah? Absolutely amazing. Okay. So if any of you guys would like to take the Honeymoon Suite when you arrive at Alla Turca, have a chat with this guy.
You'd have to be quick to book it though, because
Yeah.
there's only one room.
Yeah.
There's
That's
only
him.
one room.
Kerem. Yes.
Hope to see you here.
Yes. Okay. So we'll let you go, guys. Just look on the website, book it, have a look at it, see what you think.
Pack your cases and come along.
It's a fantastic hotel. We're staying here for 2 weeks. We've got, what, how many days left?
4 days left.
4 days left. It's our first time here in Dalyan, and it's an amazing hotel, fantastic.
Yeah,
the service
hotel.
is unbelievable.
The
Food is
the best.
fantastic,
Yeah.
pool's amazing.
Everything's amazing.
Cleaners come and do your rooms every day. It's fantastic.
Can't fault it. There's nothing to fault about it. I'd come back.
Friendly staff, managers, brilliant. Okay guys, so we'll see you soon.